Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these cute little no-sew shopping bags to shop with, made out of t-shirts, so you can put stuff in it like this. Look at that. So all you really need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors, as sharp as you can. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, now I'll explain what this is for later, but it's not necessary. So take your t-shirt and turn it inside out. This is a great way to upcycle an old t-shirt or something that doesn't fit you anymore, or something you're just kind of tired of wearing. So take it and fold it in half. Right? So, what you're going to do after you get it folded in half and the sides matched up, so you're going to take and cut the sleeves off first. So there's a side. Now you can either just cut it out, but if you want it to be very circular and symmetrical, you can take a bowl, set it on your shirt, and take like a piece of chalk or a washable fabric marker, and can't really see that line that good. Let's see. I don't work either. But anyway, you can kind of see the line. But hopefully you get the concept of what I'm trying to do. And follow the line and cut it out. So now you have the handle parts of your bag. If there's any little excess, you cut that off. Here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And now your shirt kind of should look like a tank top. Turn it inside out. And actually, if you wanted to make this a totally closed off bag before you turned it inside out, you could just sew right across there and it'd be finished. But this is the part you can do as a project with kids. It's real fun for them. So cut the edges. There's about 2 or 3 inches right there. And then you just cut it into fringe, like this. This is also an easy way, like you could go and buy a bunch of t-shirts from a thrift store or something and upcycle these into the bags. These are just my own t-shirts. But then you would have some really nice reusable bags to give your clients if you sell stuff. And then you just take the pieces that are across from each other and tie them in a knot. Like that. See? And you do it all the way across the bottom of the shirt. Like I said, this is something you can let younger kids do. They feel like they're helping out. And it keeps you from using plastic bags when you go to the grocery store. There's a lot of stores starting to ban plastic more and more, which is not a bad thing. But you need to have alternatives. So buying a bunch of bags can get really expensive, but most people have a few t-shirts hanging up in their closet. They just don't really wear anymore. These just old, kind of tight on me, so I don't wear them as much. And what better use for a pretty tie-dye than to become a pretty bag. So, whoop, one minute too far. Almost finished. And if you just really wanted to sew this and make it where it didn't unravel or anything like that, then you could totally take a serger and serge these edges, and they, you know, when they get washed, they will kind of, there we go, I'll force it, get a little curl to it like that. You can see that. But it's okay. It doesn't affect how the bag will function. Alright, fantastic. So we're all done with the bag. And here's what it looks like. Isn't that cute? So, as you can see, there are little tiny holes in it at the bottom. So this would be good for like cereal boxes, you know, stuff like that. But it can actually hold a pretty good bit of weight. And so that's it. That is your finished bag. And if you wanted to like customize this for your business, you could screen print your logo, or do iron-on, or do it with regular shirts and do fabric paint and decorate it however you wanted. You could just really have a lot of different things that you could do. It's a really easy craft, and you get a functional item out of it. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please like the video, and if you would like to find out more stuff when we post it, please subscribe. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.